Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Of course, I'm at work again, but who cares? So today I wanted to touch on how the universe tries to communicate with you. Just signs, to know if the universe is trying to communicate with you. So, I've had a couple of experiences with communicating with the universe. Well, I've had a whole lot of them, but these two really touch close to home to me. So, my first one was I always knew I was connected with the universe, but I wanted to test it out. So I said I wanted to play a little game with the universe just to see how connected I was to the universe. And so I'm riding in my car one day and I said, you know what, universe? Let's see if me and you really are aligned. And I said, you know what? If I see some red balloons, then I know that I'm really aligned with the universe, right? And so I'm riding, and then not even a minute into it, I'm just like, wait a minute, hold up, universe. I'm not gonna make it that easy. I said, I'm on my way to the grocery store, and of course, we see balloons in the grocery store, so I'm like, I can't see a balloon in the grocery store. I don't want to make it too easy. So, not even a minute later, I'm riding down the street, and guess what I see on my left hand side? Three big red balloons. You guys, I was in awe. I was just like, are you freaking kidding me? So I am definitely aligned with the universe. Another incident that happened to me recently was I was on my way to work and this car just like cut me off really, really bad. Like cut me off to the point where I was just about to be, cussing and fussing because I have really bad road rage. And I remember I just sat back and I said, you know what? This car jumped in front of me for a reason. And so I remember looking at the tag number, and I still know the tag number is 6205. And I said, I'm going to play that number. So I went and played that number in Virginia. And come to find out, the number came out in Maryland. Exactly like that, y'all. 6205. Like it came out straight, just like that. So I couldn't even be mad because I was more in awe that the universe was really trying to communicate with me. It just lets me know how many times in our lives have the universe tried to connect with you or communicate with you when you were so angry or so not focused that you didn't even know. Like there's been so many instances in my life where if I probably would have took a step back and really analyzed the situation, it could have been the universe trying to communicate with me. And I'm just now to a point where I'm able to sit back and say, okay, hold on, wait a minute. Everything ain't always, you don't have to always get mad at everything that happens in life. Sometimes the universe create things to happen so that the universe can talk to you. And I probably missed out on a lot of opportunities because I've been probably too angry or unfocused not to even take those signs or take those warnings that the universe was actually trying to communicate with me. Um, I'm just happy I'm in a better place now that I'm actually able to know that the universe does try to communicate with me. Um, Another thing I wanted to talk about was angel signs. Like, have you guys ever seen like 111 or 222 or 333 all the time? And you're just like, okay, why do I keep saying these numbers? So, I know you can actually look up and see what some of those numbers means. I'm not gonna sit here and go through the whole list of, this number means this number. I just say that to say, if I constantly see, sequences of numbers like twos or nines or sevens, and you know what? I just think that those are our angels looking down on us. So if I see sevens or if I see sixes or twos, I'll just wave and be like, "Hey, angels," because I don't know what angel it is, but I know it's the angels looking over me. So I just say, if you guys continue to see same sequences or numbers, just that just means it's just one of your angels just looking out for you. So just wave and say hello and say bless me. And now, one number I do know that means abundance is eights, because eights are shaped like infinite, like an infinite sign, meaning abundance of money. And I remember I was probably like 2 weeks ago, I was on my way to play some quads, and quads are like twos or sixes, or you know, 222 or 6666. They're quads. And I pulled up to the store, and when I pulled up, it was a tag right in front of me that said 8888. And I was just like, wow. So that definitely means that an infinite amount of money is about to come to you. And remember, you guys, I just won like 8 grand like 2 weeks ago. So it definitely happened. So I just say, just be aware of, certain signs and stuff that you see, and